So, what's up there, YouTube? Burns here. And a pressure washer. It's a 3300 PSI rated pressure washer with a Honda GX200 engine. That there. Here's my old pressure washer. It's about 5 years old. Got it from Northern Tool years ago. Probably, maybe 4 years old. So there it is there. That's the third pump that I've put on it. Engine's starting to get a little difficult to start up and everything. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time. And because it's not a Honda engine, it's actually a Honda clone. It's one of those power horse motors. I decided to invest in a new unit entirely. The thing that I like about this one, this blue one, is the frame. I like the frame. This one, the new one, this is from pressurewashersdirect.com, is all aluminum. A little hiccup in the video there, sorry. Phone is acting up for some whatever reason. Anyway, so just got this today, just starting to unbox and everything. And I don't think this is going to affect the machine, but I won't know until I fire it up, get oil in the motor. I just changed out the shipping plug for this vented plug that came with it. I installed this outlet port, which has this 22mm outlet port, which the hose screws onto this. And I have a 3/8 hose that I bought special for this one, which I'm going to adapt to this one. It has quick connect fittings. I hate these 22mm adapters. I prefer the quick connect fitting. I also need to get a swivel on the gun end. My love-hate relationship with aluminum is that I love it because it's lightweight and it's somewhat easy to work with if you don't have to weld it or anything like that. Even welding it, I'm sure, is pretty easy, but I've never had to do that. Hate it because it is easily malleable. And I noticed this when it came in. Let me lift it up here. Hopefully it won't roll and fall over on me. The frame's twisted. I'm pretty sure you can see that. I got the... Yeah, you can see how it's twisted right just after the motor. The frame is all twisted. And you can see that there. See how that's buckled? It's a shitty stand. I'm just gonna come right out and say it. Here's the handle here, and out of the packaging, this was wrapped in bubble wrap. This is kind of like poor quality. I mean, I'm gonna have to file them down because they're sharp. They're gouges in it. I might not even use this stand. I might take that motor and pump off of that stand and put this one on there, because this stand is sharp as hell. Now, cut your finger sharp. This should have been filed. This should have been filed and deburred. Like, this edge here isn't too bad, but the backside has got a sharp edge on it. The corners are sharp. Now, granted, you're not really supposed to be dicking around with any of this, but, you know, as you're assembling it, this shit is sharp. This thing is really sharp. So I'm probably not going to use this shitty stand. I'm probably going to put it over on that blue one. I'll take that pump and motor off and swap them over. And then we'll get the oil in the motor. The shipping cap that was on here was a yellow little plastic thing you got to take off to insert the vent. So that way, you know, when they ship it, the oil doesn't leak all over the place. Well, it did, because it wasn't tight. Somebody didn't tighten it before they stuffed it in a box. So I'm hoping... the next few minutes here, I'm going to get this, hopefully I could change it out. I'm pretty sure that if the bolt holes are the same, we'll be okay. This will work on that stand. Also, the other thing I notice is this, the way this is on here, it's actually a little heavy towards the rear, so it wants to tip up real easy. And wants to flip backwards, which I would much rather have seen it more forward. Or even have, like, put the engine... put the heaviest part of the component towards the handle. Or over the feet, at least. Put it, you know, put the heavy shit in between the legs and the axle. And then put the pump facing the other way so it's easier to gain access to. I mean, I don't understand what these companies think when they design this crap. You know, it's not that hard. It's just a matter of putting holes in different places. But, yeah, so that's what we got so far. So I'm going to get this set up, maybe running and whatever. Get the engine oiled up and all that stuff, gassed up. We'll get water plumbed into this. Oh, dick with it. All right, guys, so here we go. I took the power horse motor and no-name, whatever it is, pump assembly off of the power horse stand, and I removed the pressure washer's direct pump and motor assembly off of the shitty aluminum stand, cart stand, whatever you want to call it. And I just have it sat on here for now. It's not bolted down yet, but it will be shortly. And one thing I have to say already, the weight distribution with this stand is a hell of a lot better than with this stand. So you could see, it's almost like they fucked up when they assembled it. Like there's just a bunch of holes everywhere. It's all split and it's a fucking shitty ass stand. It's a shitty cart. The only thing it's got going for it is it's got storage for the nozzles. Oh, wait a minute. So does this one. So, okay. So there you go. We got that pump and motor assembly off of that. Now we're going to just bolt it down on here. We're going to check all of our torque settings on the pump to motor mate, just to make sure it's tight. I mean, it's not loose or anything, but yeah, we just got to check everything and make sure it's good. Fill the engine with oil, and then we'll hook it up real quick and run it. It's got a built-in little mesh hose filter thingamajig here, kind of like what you get on the back of a washing machine. So that's removable and cleanable, so you can take that out and clean it. It's not dirty now, so I'm not going to dick with it, but you know what I mean. You could take that out and clean it, so that's good. I have a water filter system that I hook up the hose to. So the water coming out of the hose goes into a filter, and then out of the filter it goes into my pump, so that way I don't destroy the pump. So I know there's no contaminants. It's a pleated water filter. I think it's like 20 micron or something like that. Or 200 micron. I forget. I'll have to look. But anyway, that's a new pressure washer. So I guess next thing to do is we'll get it bolted to the cart. Well, I'm going to take the motor and pump assembly off. I want to clean the cart up a little bit just to remove some of the shit, all the old residue and oil and all that stuff. And then we'll put the motor and pump assembly back on, bolt it down, and we'll give it a test run. Alright guys, we've done the changeover. Everything's done. I'm not going to discard this stand cart thing. I will put it aside, and I'm not going to even assemble it. I'm just going to put it back together the way it came out of the box. And I'll put it aside for warranty purposes if I ever need to send it back for whatever reason, or get warranty work done. I'll have the cart, I'll be able to mount it back to it. So, here it is all set up. Let me run a chipper. Well, there you go. I used everything from the old system, with the exception of the siphon tube, pump, and motor. Using my old hose, my old trigger, wand, tires, cart. Runs good. Nice solid. Nice and solid. And it works. Nice cap pump on there, so true test will be time. We'll see how well it runs. And then I'll use it for a while. And then we will do an honest review and update. So, alright guys.